vintage firearms here in this school. Note this is in the middle of a game right now. This is in the middle of a basketball game. There's probably like one in the bathroom. Okay, so I checked the bathroom and there is not one in there right now. There's not a fire alarm in there. Let me see if we can spot one in the band room. Oh, that pole station over there. It's not so vintage. That one. Of course. And that's a modern one. Yeah, that's not really that old. There's a couple of them in the gym. I'd say I better get them from a different angle.
Yeah, so those aren't any good. You can come back in some more. Yeah. Here with your dad?
Yep. Ah, come on. Right up there. Sorry about that, guys. Note, this is in the middle of a basketball game. So just ignore the buzzer. Come on, it'll focus. I doubt there's any in the storage room. Very old. That is an old. That's actually an older one than my Simplex one that I have. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.